So today here I am in Looks and with my husband. Say hi. So this is the room where my waxing is gonna be done. So as you can see, they have provided me a disposable dress, and the room is sanitized and fully cleaned. So I think this is safe for us to come here and get our waxing and other skincare done. So guys, as you can see, she is fully prepared with gloves and face mask. So here we go. So my husband is fully ready for getting his hair done. I just love the cleanness of the salon. As you can see, they all are taking full precautions. They are doing straightening also. So I think salon is completely open for everything. Yeah.
My name is
Ashu is here, who is doing the straightening for this gorgeous lady.
Yes, ma'am.
So आशु, आपने मास्क लगा रखे हैं और ग्लव्स लगा रखे हैं. सो आपको लगता है कि कोई सेफ्टी कंसर्न्स है हमें यहाँ आने में?
जी मैम, बिल्कुल सेफ्टी है. यहाँ पे सारा कुछ पूरा सैलून सैनिटाइज होता है और हमें भी पूरी किट्स वगैरह पीपीई किट मिली हुई है. तो इसी को पहन के हम वर्क कर रहे हैं. ग्लव्स जितनी बार भी हम क्लाइंट अटेंड करेंगे हर बार हम ग्लव्स अपने चेंज करते हैं और पीपीई किट हम एवरीडे चेंज करते हैं.
So you guys, as you heard, they are using the PPE kit which they are replacing every day, and also they are using disposable gloves and masks which they are renewing it every day. So guys, I am feeling so fresh after getting my wax done. Now we are getting back to home, and Vikas has done his beard and hair. Can you show some? As you can see, and we are listening his favorite song. So baby, how are you feeling after getting your hair and beard done after so long?
Feeling amazing after so long.
We are feeling kind of settled, no? So guys, we've just reached home. Now we are gonna clean ourselves very quickly. So guys, I have taken a quick shower and I'm feeling so good today. So this was my experience in Looks, which is in sector 14. So guys, today I wanted to share this video with you because I know we all are scared and we all are stuck at home. Even I was so scared and I haven't stepped out from my house for 4 months. So a few days back I got a text message that the salon is open now. So I wanted just to go and check out if it's safe to get our beauty services done. So I went there just to keep thing in mind that if I feel everything is safe, everything is sanitized, and if they are taking proper precaution, then only I'll take the service, otherwise I'll come back to home. But when I reached there, I saw they all are wearing the disposable clothes. They are having their gloves on and they are putting the mask. The whole salon is sanitized and they are taking all the precautions. I went to the room and I was completely satisfied that everything is fully sanitized and clean and it's safe for me to get my wax done there. Then only I went to the room where my waxing was about to be done. I spoke with their team as well. So they are taking the full precautions. They are changing their gloves after every service, and they are changing their mask after every service. They are changing their clothes. They are sanitizing the chair, the products they are using. Everything is so much taken care of there. I just wanted to say to you guys that the people who are working there, they also have their families and they also don't want to get infected with this virus. So they are already taking all the precautions while they are coming to the salon and they are taking the services. So during this lockdown, I tried to wax at home using some waxing cream or I tried sometimes using the appellator as well, but that doesn't suits me because I get the rashes all over my skin wherever I use the cream or appellator. So I haven't done my waxing for months. So when I got the message the salon is open, I thought I should just check out if it is safe to go there or not. I think whenever we are stepping out the house, we need to take the full precaution like sanitizer, the mask, the gloves, and do not get in touch with anyone physically. And also whenever you are coming back from somewhere to the house, just take a bath, sanitize yourself, wash your clothes, and after then meet your family members. Thank you so much guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.